My name is Adrian Boycell, and I help companies perfect their brand and make more money with strategic marketing. Over the past 15 years, I've helped more than 5,000 companies generate money from internet marketing and offline marketing, generating more than $100 million in revenue for those clients. Style Magazine named me one of their most valuable business people of 2021. I started doing web design, graphic design, and marketing for my family at the early age of 16 years old when I built my very first website. I saw that internet marketing was going to be the future. And so at 19 years old, I opened my very first brick and mortar graphic design and printing shop. I was able to scale that company, California Design and Printing, to over 6 figures in just 6 months with the marketing skills and design skills that I had learned. And since those early years, I've been lucky enough to help brands like Safeway, Sport Clips, Disney, and even the Be Great show. But nothing is more satisfying than helping small business owners that have a social impact mission behind their brand. Through a lot of trial and error, I've learned all of the mistakes that people make in branding and in marketing, and I teach people how to avoid those mistakes inside their business. I've been doing that for the past 4 years on stages, on YouTube, and even on the content on my blog. I've received 8 awards for design. And now my mission is to take all of this success, package it up, and use it to help millions of entrepreneurs and business owners make a bigger impact in society in a positive way. People believe that marketing is about throwing ideas at the wall and hoping and praying that something sticks, or just throwing money at the problem. But what they really need is a strategic plan on their branding and their marketing, online and offline. With my formulas and my marketing team, we can help you get the results that you want and need. So whether you want to learn from me for free through my content or hire me, I want you to know that I'm here to serve you and support you. Until next time, I'm Adrian Boycell, and as always, keep looking up.